Hey there everyone! Welcome to today's show, where we're diving into 10 actionable ways you can start earning $1,000 a day and work towards financial freedom. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, we've got you covered. Now I know what you're thinking, $1,000 a day? That's a lot of money. And you're right, it is. But the truth is, it's more achievable than you might think. It's not about winning the lottery or stumbling upon a magical money tree. It's about finding the right strategy, putting in the work, and staying consistent. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, become your own boss, and start living life on your own terms, then buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey that could change your financial future forever. Let's jump right in. One of the fastest ways to hit that $1,000 a day mark is by starting a high-ticket online business. Think about it, selling one $1,000 coaching package is a lot easier than selling $110 ebooks, right? So, what kind of high-ticket online business can you start? You could offer premium coaching services, leveraging your expertise in a particular field. Another great option is creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from comprehensive online courses to exclusive membership communities to high-end templates and tools. The beauty of digital products is that they're scalable. Once you've created them, you can sell them over and over again without any additional overhead. The key to success with a high-ticket online business is to niche down and target a specific audience. By focusing on a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an expert and attract the right clients who are willing to invest in your premium offerings. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start building a business that can generate serious income, consider the high-ticket route. Real estate has always been a cornerstone of wealth building. It's a tangible asset with potential for appreciation and passive income. Let's explore some proven strategies. First, flipping houses. It requires capital and renovation management. Done right, it yields substantial profits. Prefer hands-off? Rent out properties. Long-term rentals provide consistent cash flow. Platforms like Airbnb revolutionize short-term rentals, or explore real estate investment trusts, REITs. Participate in real estate without property management. In today's digital age, freelancing has emerged as a powerful avenue for skilled individuals to take control of their careers and income. Leverage your expertise and offer your services directly to clients worldwide. Identify your niche. What are you exceptionally good at? The more specialized your skill set, the higher your earning potential. Clients pay a premium for experts who deliver exceptional results. Build your online presence with a professional website or portfolio. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer help find potential clients. Charge for your expertise and the value you bring. Focus on delivering exceptional value and communicate effectively. Freelancing offers flexibility to work from anywhere and be your own boss. E-commerce is booming and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Launching an e-commerce store has never been more accessible or potentially lucrative. But how can you turn your online store into a powerhouse? First, find your niche. What products are you passionate about selling? Identify market gaps you can fill. Focus on a specific target audience. Then source your products. Manufacture, partner with wholesalers, or dropship. Build your online store with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Use social media, SEO, and paid ads to drive traffic. Customer experience is paramount in e-commerce. Are you an expert in your field, brimming with valuable knowledge to share? If so, creating and selling online courses could be your golden ticket to earning $1,000 a day and achieving financial freedom. The online education market is booming, with millions of individuals seeking to expand their skills and knowledge from the comfort of their homes. The first step is to identify your area of expertise. What subjects are you passionate about teaching? What unique skills or knowledge do you possess that others would be willing to pay for? Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to structure your course content. Break down your knowledge into bite-sized modules, create engaging video lessons, develop quizzes or assignments to reinforce learning, and consider offering additional resources like downloadable templates or checklists. Now, you need to choose a platform to host and sell your online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific offer user-friendly interfaces, marketing tools, and secure payment gateways to streamline the process. Marketing your online course is crucial for attracting students and generating revenue. Leverage the power of social media, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. The world of trading, with its fast-paced action and potential for substantial profits, has always captivated those seeking financial independence. But let's be clear, trading stocks or cryptocurrency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires knowledge, strategy, and a healthy dose of risk management. First, you need to educate yourself. Understand the fundamentals of trading, different asset classes, market indicators, and technical analysis. There are countless online resources, courses, and books available to help you grasp the intricacies of trading. Next, choose your trading style. Are you a day trader, seeking to profit from short-term price fluctuations, or a long-term investor, aiming to build wealth gradually through long-term holdings? Selecting the right trading platform is crucial. Look for platforms that offer a user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and a wide selection of tradable assets. Risk management is paramount in trading. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Trading stocks or cryptocurrency can be a thrilling and potentially lucrative endeavor, but it's not for the faint of heart. Did you know that the things you own could be generating passive income for you? If you have high-value assets sitting idle, it's time to put them to work. Start with renting out your car on platforms like Turo. List your vehicle, set your rates, and watch the money roll in. But it's not just about cars. Platforms like BoatSetter connect boat owners with renters. Rent out your camera gear on borrow lenses. Generate passive income and make the most of your possessions. The subscription box industry has exploded in recent years, captivating consumers with its promise of convenience, discovery, and personalized experiences delivered right to their doorsteps. But how can you tap into this booming market and create a subscription box service that generates $1,000 a day? First and foremost, you need to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique products or experiences can you curate and deliver on a recurring basis? Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to source high-quality products that will delight your subscribers. Partner with established brands, explore wholesale options, or even consider creating your own unique products to differentiate your box from the competition. Packaging is key in the subscription box industry. Create an unboxing experience that sparks joy and excitement for your subscribers. Marketing your subscription box is crucial for attracting subscribers and growing your business. Leverage the power of social media, influencer marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. In today's digital age, the demand for online tutoring has skyrocketed, providing a lucrative opportunity for individuals with specialized knowledge to empower students worldwide and enhance their own income. But how can you turn your expertise into a $1,000 a day online tutoring powerhouse? First, identify your areas of expertise. What subjects are you passionate about teaching? Whether it's advanced mathematics, test preparation, language learning, or musical instruments, there's a vast pool of students seeking personalized guidance. Next, choose a platform to connect with potential students. Platforms like TutorMe, Schooly, and Chegg Tutors connect tutors with students seeking online assistance. Setting your rates strategically is crucial. Research industry standards, factor in your experience level, and consider offering package deals or discounts for multiple sessions. Creating engaging and effective online tutoring sessions is key to student satisfaction and retention. Utilize interactive whiteboards, screen sharing tools, and video conferencing platforms to create a dynamic and interactive learning environment. YouTube has revolutionized the way we consume content, providing a platform for creators to share their passions, connect with audiences worldwide, and generate substantial income. But how can you turn your YouTube channel into a $1,000 a day powerhouse? First and foremost, you need to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective or expertise can you offer to viewers? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating high-quality, engaging content. Invest in decent video and audio equipment, plan your videos in advance, and focus on delivering value to your viewers. Building a loyal subscriber base is crucial for YouTube's success. Engage with your viewers in the comments section, respond to their questions, and consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to foster a sense of community. Monetizing your YouTube channel takes time and effort. Once you reach a certain threshold of subscribers and watch time, you can apply for YouTube's Partner Program, which allows you to earn revenue through ads displayed on your videos. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways to earn $1,000 a day and unlock the doors to financial freedom. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine waking up every day excited to pursue your passions, work on your own terms, and have the financial security to live life on your own terms. That's the power of financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a path that resonates with you, take action, and start building the life you've always dreamed of. The journey to financial freedom starts today.